the Scholar Club. Thank you for standing in the breach with us and helping to bring God's word to the world.
So we're here at the Muhraka, the burnt place, where Elijah faced off with the prophets of Baal. And we're told that there were 450 prophets of Baal and 400 prophets of Asherah, and they each set up their sacrifices. Elijah set up his, and the fire came down from heaven and burned up Elijah's sacrifices. And then we're told the entire people of Israel saw this, and they were told before, you have to decide which are you going to choose, is Jehovah God or is Baal God? And then they saw this happen, the fire come down, and they all proclaimed with one voice, Yehovah Hu Elohim, Yehovah Hu Elohim, Yehovah is God, Yehovah is God. And then they took the prophets of Baal down there into the Jezreel Valley to the Kishon River, and they slew the prophets of Baal. And right over there is Megiddo. Megiddo is a major strategic point that controls the entrance into the Jezreel Valley, and battles have happened there throughout history, and there'll be battles again in the Jezreel Valley. But we know Yehovah will win.
I was just explaining to Linnell about the major air base there in the background, which in 1967, in the Six-Day War, was Israel's major air base in northern Israel. And the Jordanians were firing artillery at it. And just to stop the artillery, Israel sent in a small force to stop the artillery in all of Samaria, all of northern, so-called West Bank. The entire northern part collapsed and was liberated by Israel. And she told me a song that came to her.
They were shelling. They just wanted to stop the artillery.
They just wanted to stop the artillery.
And instead, Yehovah gave them the battle, and they conquered Samaria, which is amazing.
It's a miracle.
And I was like, it reminds me of a song from my youth.
What's the song?
The song is, I may never march in the infantry, ride in the cavalry, shoot the artillery. I may never fly o'er the enemy, but I'm in the Lord's army. Don't give her hope, she can't fly.
It can fly.
She can't fly.
Fly, Penny and Gwenny, fly.
But we don't face these hills alone. Rising from these broken stones, we see the kingdom. Let the kingdom come.
Thank you for joining this Scholar Club exclusive teaching. Your partnership makes it possible to continue our work, discovering, preserving, and sharing the ancient Hebrew sources of faith.